Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to run system commands using Python. For doing it, we need to import the OS module in Python, and in this module we have a method called system, and then here we can write our command. For example, I can say date. If I run it, here I can see that the command, let's say, has been run, that has been called. Okay, let's ping Google using this command.
Hi, what can I do for you?
No, not you, Google. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so ping google.com. And if I run it again, here I can see that I am pinging google.com. Subscribe to this channel for more Python tricks. See you next time.